So I have started my career in 2016. So till now around 6 years experience. So what is the biggest achievement in automation? In 2019 and 2020, I have worked hard. I have implemented a lot of ideas for the IQ bots. So what are the ideas I shared with the IQ bot team? So all of them is implemented. Then I got a Go Evangelist Award from the Automation Anywhere as well. So that's the big one. Then the second achievement is MVP, the Automation Anywhere. So past 3 years I was working in the community. So finally we got this done. Or as of the current trending is AI generative models and the API side. So you're looking forward to work with these new features to integrate more ERP tools, more other ticketing kind of things, tools and everything. Mostly I engaged in online forum or Automation Anywhere. Then apart from that, we are conducting like a small training inside the teams, whoever, to know about the RPA. Then I'm take a small training, a small introduction and everything. If they're interested, then we will continue the next further. Then otherwise we complete. Most likely we are explaining, to the stakeholder. For new to automation, I would recommend for the new users, to learn about the basics, the basic things, how the application is working. That's important compared to our Automation Anywhere. Which application we are going to automate, we need to understand first that one. Once we understand the application end to end, then Automation is Anywhere we can use. Yeah, of course, because it's an important one. When they completing the certification is most valuable for nowadays. So they get more knowledgeable when they are doing real-time examples during the certifications. So I would personally recommend doing the certification is the best one. Because while Automation Anywhere University is covering a lot of real-time scenarios during the certification program.
Thank you so much for sharing all of that.